I'm stuck.
Daddy's gonna get. La la la. Oo. La 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 la. La la la. Oh, enjoy siya sa tatay niya maglaro.
I'll let you grab it.
La!
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
You said help, help, Miranda. I know you're tricking her. Is Daddy tricking you? How come? You guys too loud. You're waking up Jewel.
Her afternoon siesta.
Afternoon, it's evening. La 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 gotcha. La. No, that is tricking you. That is tricking you.
Oh, I got a little bug here. Look, come and see the bug.
That is tricking you.
It's right here.
That is tricking you. She knows now. What you doing? Why you do that? I wanna sit here. You? Hey, there's a feet in the picture. What are you doing? Boom. Andito ako sa tuktok, guys. That is tricking you. Don't go near.
It's right here. Look, can you see it?
No. Thank you.
Up, baby.
Daddy is gonna go now. It's 7 o'clock. I have to do something.
Is that your ladder?
You wanna do the sandbox or did you do it? Oh, your daddy will do the filter. Let me see. Oh, really? Thank you, Angela. Cover your tummy. Baba mo. There you go. Perfect. No, he went to get the filter to clean your bed. Your. What? Ah, ay. Bastian naman yun.